If you're interested in generating quick USDT, then this platform I'm about to introduce to you might be worth checking out. So I made a withdrawal a short while ago and the funds arrives almost instantly. Important notice, this opportunity appears to be unusually profitable, so you might have to exercise some caution while dealing on this platform because it might likely not last. This is not a financial advice. Let me stress it again. This is not a financial advice. I am not your financial advisor, and I will not be held liable for any gains or losses you might experience as a result of investing in this platform. Keep in mind that cryptocurrency investment is extremely volatile, and it is important for you to conduct a thorough research before getting yourself involved in such an investment platforms like this. If you choose to give it a try, you have to be aware that it carries a significant risk, and I suggest investing whatever amount of money you can afford to lose and fully accept whatever the outcome might be. So quickly, I want to show you how to register on this platform, how to recharge, how to withdraw, and how to view your earnings. So let's just jump right into the video. To sign up on this platform, if you check the description of this video, you are going to find a link, and also in the description of this video you are going to see different investment packages as well as the reward you are going to be getting as a result of investing in this platform every single day. So once you are done with registration, all you have to do is to click on recharge. When you click on recharge, you are going to see various methods of deposit. We have TRC20 USDT, we have BEP20 TRX and BNB. I actually do prefer depositing using TRC20, so click on it, get the wallet address and make the deposit. Once you are done with the deposit, the next thing you have to do is to choose an investment package. So we currently have $11 package, we have $96 package. The amount of money you have on your wallet or the amount of money you are able to recharge is what will determine if the amount of money you have in your wallet or the amount of money you are able to recharge will determine which of the package you'll be able to unlock. So I have the $11 package unlocked, and clicking on it is actually going to be helping me to make $3. Like I said earlier, check the description of this video and you will find diverse packages and the amount of money you are going to be making every single day. So now, once you are able to recharge, the next thing you have to be doing every single day is to come to where we have task, and you click on task. So now I'm going to click on this task and complete it. I'll click on this, then I've been able to complete the task. And if I click on the home page and click on withdraw, you can see that I have $3. So I'll keep accumulating, and you can withdraw as low as $1, right? So since I had already made a withdrawal, and I think that is basically it. To withdraw, just click on withdraw and input the amount of money wherein you want to withdraw, and then put your wallet address, which you can see my wallet address because I have already made a withdrawal, and you input your password and you click on confirm, and then you are good to go. If you have any question about this investment platform, let us chat in the comments below. Like this video. If you refer anyone to this platform, you'll be getting 12% of every single recharge, and if they refer someone else, you'll be getting 2% from that. And if the people they refer other people, you are going to be getting 2% of every single recharge. That will be all for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.